Go.
Good morning, grade 5 students. Good morning, teachers. Okay, please sit down now. Thank you. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's have first an activity called Ready, Guess, Sing. So, are you ready, class? Yes, teacher. When I say, are you ready, class? You say, Are you ready, class? Alright, so now let's start. So before that, I will be going to play an instrument and you will be observe while I'm playing, right? Yes. Let's start now. So let's start from the beginning. Wait. Alright, so what is the title of the song that I play? Happy birthday! Alright, happy birthday. So, is it lively or boring? Boring! Why? Alright, so now, as what we have observed when we sing, so now before that, Sir Arthur will sing first happy birthday, and after that we will follow. Is it clear? Yes, teacher. Alright, so teacher.
So first is the lowest of the apple. So lowest half.
Wait.
Together with the piano. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's start over again. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Dear Carlos, happy birthday. Again, now stand up and sing with us. Stand up and sing with us. Yeah. Okay, Miss Karen, play the piano. Here, 1, 2, 3, and start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arthur. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, so as what we observed when we sing happy birthday, we can create a tune. So now let's move on to our second activity, which is let's explore more. So in this activity, you will identify the parts of Equesta. Okay, anyone who wants to answer? Thinking, stand up. So what do you call this one? What do you call this one? A staff or musical staff. So a musical staff, it consists of 5 parallel lines and 4 equal spaces of the staff. So next, what do you call this one? Ayan?
Bar line.
So a bar line, indicating at the beginning of the staff and at an end of staff. This one is called measure. So measure it indicates the two-bar line. It's called measure. So last, are you look stand up? So what do you call this one? F flip. Alright, F flip. So F flip or base flip is sometimes called F flip, which is because base flip is surrounded by toe dots. That's why it is like an F, another F. So as you can observe, right? Yes. All right. So now, as you already know the parts of F stops. So now let's move forward. So let's move to our discussions. All right. So can you read this one, class?
Melody.
Okay, stop. So as you read, melody, what comes into your mind, guys? Like, give your own opinion about melody. All right, exactly. The tune of music. So can you read this one?
The
actual
tune
of the music. Alright, the actual tune of music. So melody consists of pitch and rhythm. So pitch, the highness and lowness of the music. So rhythm is the long and short or full duration. So melody, like for example, when I sing like this, happy birthday to you. So what have you observed? There is stand up. What have you observed when you sing happy birthday? So alright, so it's like a robot without a tune. It's like a robot or musical instrument. So when I say like happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. So what did you observe, Ayan?
Very nice teacher.
Alright, so let's guys, what have you observed? When the happy birthday it has an instrument and vocal. So what have you observed? Alright, exactly. So when we sing a song without a melody, it's like a boring or like robot. So when we sing melody with a vocal, with a tune, with a musical instrument, it was like lively. Alright, so do you understand, class? Yes, teacher. Alright, so now let's move to our third activity. Okay?
Now let's move on to our third activity. I have here an F star or F flip. So in this box contains each names of F flip. So I want each of the students, I will call random students to pick one each name here and put it where it belongs. Now we will start. Thinking, go in front. After that, is it correct?
No.
No. Where do you think the B belongs? Very good. Yes. Rosasanya, come in front. Pick one. Where? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, very Very good, Miss Delia. Now, Carla. What is it? Hey, where does it belong? Is it correct? Yes. So, the sheriff, please come in front. The sheriff. Right. Master. Back. Oh, so good. Where? Is it correct?
Yes.
Now, Clarice, please come in front. It's your turn. Right.
Dili pangalan. Isa mo din mo sa
Is it correct? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's call in the attention of Jonathan. I'll try.
I was thinking.
Is it correct?
Yes.
So, Giselle, come in front. What a great smile you have. Alright, let's move on. Very good. Now, I think we're ready. Yes, I think we're ready. Number 5. Is she correct?
Yes.
Now we're down to one pitch game. Ayan, put it where it belongs. Is he correct? Yes. So now that we have placed the pitch game on the left stack, we are going to sing it. We are going to sing the song of the whole. So, what do you think is the song of the whole of the A? La. What? Mary, please stand up. What is it? No, don't be shy. No, very good. High or low? Low. High, very good. So, if this is high, then this is low. Whoa, so together we are going to sing it. Do, re,
Doti lang. Doti.
Lang.
Do, te, la.
Do,
Pes. Pi. La. So. Fa. Me. Re.
Mi.
Mi.
Re.
Re.
With a tune. Do, te, la, so, fa, me. Yeah. Yeah, Ayan, can you do it? Sing up to E. Yes. August. Do, te, la, so, fa. Louder, louder. Do, te, la, so. Yeah. And now, Barbell, sit up. Sing up to F. From do to highest. La. Now, Monica. Go to G. Do, ti, la, so, fa, me. Hey, go. Do, ti, la, so, fa, me. Now, balance. Sing up to F. Yes. So F, F. What is the which name of F? One. La. Yes, very good. Now we are done with that. Okay, so next, I want to group you into 3 groups. So this is group 1, Daniela 2, Cherry, there. What is your name again? Lovely and Giselle 2, Jackie there. Jackie, no, you're not part of this. So you are group 3 here from Jonathan. So our activity is we're going to be Karen. Our activity is sight reading. So when I point this, you will sing the song of this. Do you understand?
Yes.
So in every group, I want 4 representatives. So to sing with each syllables. Do you understand? What? Do you understand?
Yes.
So now, go with your groups and form a circle and decide who will be the 4 representatives.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, I will give you 10 seconds. 2 minutes. Okay. you done? We have more representatives now. Group 1, please come in front. The 4 representatives of Group 1, please come in front. Come on now. Okay, since no one is standing, I will take Kyla, Mariel, Aliu, and Cherry. Buster. So, anyway, who among you four will sing the first measure? Each one of you will sing each measure. The measure is 1, 2, 3, 4. Who will be the one to sing this? Sherry.
Ikut kan sedikit teman.
You get it? Sing the song, bro. What is that?
Karon mo demo?
Lower. Good. Now, honey. Idole. Higher. Good. Now, Kayla. More, louder. Good. What is this? No, no. Okay, this one. Don't be friends with them. Sit down. What is the song about this? What is? So sing it. With a tune. No. Very good. Now group 2, your 4 representatives. Know what? I told you 2 minutes ago. I need 2 minutes to representatives. So Jackie, Marjorie, Clarice, Ryan, come in front. I don't know. Monica,
Monica, stand up.
Teacher! Paano siya teacher? Physical abuse.
Marjorie.
Also, they only got 2 representatives. So each of them will sing 2 members. So who will sing the first 2? Jackie, and who will sing the second? You got to sing now. So, what is this? What is the song syllable? What is the song syllable? Oh. And the second one? Yeah. The third one?
Me.
One last name. Now sing it. Yo. The L is low. Again, older. No, the la is do. Good. Now this, what is the song about this? Me. Sing the me. There's 2.
Wala sa ka nasa puba po.
Now, louder. Okay, now it's your turn. What is the song about this? This,
Irene.
this,
Me.
and this.
Me.
Now sing it. Again, another.
Nabis ng sige do. Nasi Mr. Kima.
Yeah, again. Louder. Okay, now the second. So what is the song about this? Do. And this? Now sing it. Higher than. Higher than now. So do yeah. More louder. Okay, very good. Now sit down. So group 3, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
What's your representative? Ding, what? Ding, Jonah. Jaina and Shian. All 4 of you, come in front. Go in front, faster. Time is running. Oh my gosh, she's angry. Sit down na lang. Please sit down.
Mean girls! You're so mean.
Now, who's gonna sing the first? Ding Ding, are you going to sing this? Okay. What is the song about this? And the second one? Now sing it. Oh, that. Lower. Again. Louder. Good, now. Who's gonna sing this? So what is the sum of all this? What?
Me.
Me?
Me.
And the second one? And the third one? D. Now sing. Again, louder, louder. You got it? Very good. Now the third step. No, Christine. Okay. What's the sum of global? Great. And this? D. Now sing it. More louder, louder, louder. More, more. More again, more again. Again, again. Okay, third one, basically. Go here. What is the sum of global? And the second one? And the third one? Yeah, so sing it. Again. Go.
That's your teacher.
No worries, no worries. So, again, again.
You're viral.
Or don't talk when someone is singing wrongly. So, again, again. Louder. Very good. Now sit down. So, did you guys have fun with our activity?
Yes!
Okay.
Before we will end our lesson, so let's have first and bring back. So, I think Caesar Arthur is gonna machine and intan. So, what is the sofa syllables again of A? La. F. Fa. T. E. C.
Dog.
E. Me. So, C. Alright, so on sofa syllables of A, la, F is fa, B is E, D is re, C is do, E is me. So now, do you still remember the parts of Epistap? Yes. Liza, what is the parts of Epistap or base?
Signs, measures, and about.
So, alright, so the parts of Epistap or base clip or Epistap is staff, bar lines, and measures. And what is again a melody? Ding ding. The tune of music. So a combination of pitch and rhythm. So now, goodbye class. Goodbye and thank you teachers. Let's sing happy birthday first. There are two. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.